Welcome to Quick Life Global. Today we have some interesting comparison between two great players in the game, Sachin versus Kohli. Some say it's not fair to compare two great guys because Sachin is coming from a different era and Kohli is coming from some other era. Because during Sachin's time you had the great bowlers like Glenn McGrath, Shane Warne, Courtney Walsh, Courtney Ambrose, Wasim Akram, Waqar Younis. But during Kohli's time you couldn't find that kind of great bowling. So let's move into the factor number one. Whenever we are trying to do any comparison between, like even when we try to compare two objects or two matters, initially what we do is we are trying to understand the attributes from outside. The same way we will try to understand the attributes of Kohli and Sachin from outside initially. So let's focus on the behavior pattern of two players. So when it comes to Kohli, you can see high levels of aggressiveness, high levels of attitude. So those are the attributes that we see from outside when it comes to Kohli. But when it comes to Sachin is a quiet and calm character. You don't see that kind of aggressiveness through Sachin. And Kohli always want to dominate the others. And Kohli doesn't want to get himself dominated. But Sachin doesn't possess that kind of attitude. So only through these attributes you can't judge a person. You can't really judge the greatness of players, because there are silent killers like MS Dhoni, Aravinda Silva. They don't showcase that kind of aggressiveness. So let's move into the factor number two, the weaknesses of the players. So when you focus on the weaknesses of these two players, I will try to limit myself only to the dismissals. So even when it comes to dismissals, I'll try to be precise on the number of occasions that these two players have got themselves bowled. So some might argue that you can't really compare the skill levels of Sachin with this factor, because as I said previously, during Sachin's time, you had the great bowlers like Glenn McGrath, Shane Warne, Courtney Walsh, Courtney Ambrose, Wasim Waqar. So you had that greatness. But in Kohli's time, you couldn't find that kind of great bowling. And the argument too, some might come up with is, some might say there are unplayable deliveries. When it comes to cricket, I do agree with y'all, because there are some unplayable deliveries. So the in-swing is Yorkers, out-swinging Yorkers. So those are very difficult deliveries to face with. But when it comes to Sachin has got himself bowled not only through these difficult deliveries, because Sachin has got himself bowled. Sachin has thrown his wicket away even for loose balls. But you rarely find, you just try to figure out, you will just try to surf through YouTube also, the number of occasions that Virat Kohli is getting bowled. Because Sachin has thrown his wicket away even for looser deliveries, but Kohli doesn't want to throw his wicket away. That is a amount of preciseness Kohli is possessing. So he knows the length, he knows the pace, and he knows the line of the delivery. So that is the amount of precision Kohli possesses. So with this factor also, I would say Kohli stands well ahead of Sachin. So let's get into the other factor, the factor number three, the strength of the two players. If you compare the strengths or the skills of these two players, you can clearly see Sachin has a wide range of strokes. He plays about 13 strokes across the ground. And when you compare Kohli has only about 8 strokes. But when you compare the numbers, Kohli has a better batting average and Kohli has a better strike rate compared to Sachin. So how can that be possible? Just try to understand through these small pictures. So both these players are playing a cover drive. But if you compare the reach of the players, you can clearly see Kohli is having a better reach compared to Sachin. So that is how Kohli is converting the strokes into effectiveness. So that is how the Kohli is driving himself to the success. So the levels of effectiveness is quite high with Kohli when you compare with Sachin. Because Kohli is converting the deliveries to his hitting zone. So let's forget about Sachin, but if you compare Kohli with some other peer player, so say Joe Root is also a high class player, but if you compare Joe Root with Kohli, you would say Kohli is having a better reach to the strokes. So that's how he stands out from the rest. So that is how we can clearly see. So Kohli is having a better reach, and Kohli is making his effectiveness into the higher standards. So in that factor also we can clearly see Kohli stands well ahead of Sachin when you compare the skill levels. And the other thing is how compatible you are with the game, how you are trying to organize yourself in par with the requirement of the game. So you must have seen Sachin scoring centuries and team ends up in a loss. But if you see a Kohli scores a century, almost 99% of the time India ends up with a victory. So that is the amount of adaptability, the amount of compatibility, because you try to understand the requirement of the game and you will try to organize yourself according to the requirement of the game, irrespective of the number of runs you score. So that is, you can keep the number of runs that you score aside. Kohli stands well ahead of Sachin. So that is why Kohli always want to drive the games to the victory, right up to the end. So he always want to see a conclusion, of a favorable conclusion, and Kohli is geared up to grab the favorable conclusion to India. So that is how he drives himself to the success, the effectiveness. So that's why we say in that factor also Kohli stands well ahead of Sachin. So all in all, we would say when you compare the weaknesses, when you compare the attributes, and when you compare the strengths, the skills, and when you compare how adaptable, how the compatible you are with the game, in all these factors overall Kohli stands well ahead of Sachin. So in my comparison, I would give a higher rank to Kohli compared to Sachin. So I would say Kohli is a better player compared to Sachin. So all in all, we have reached to the conclusion of this discussion, the comparison. So you can get in touch with us, subscribe our channel, click the bell icon, and we will have some more interesting comparisons, and we will meet up, we'll be in touch. So stay tuned. Until then, goodbye everyone.